Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to block contact and phone number on iPhone. If you want to block contact or phone number on your iPhone, here's how you can get it done. Just to ensure your security or your privacy, just tap on your settings. Then if you are on the newest version, just scroll all the way down. Then you're going to see the option for apps. Just tap on it. Then you're going to have the list of all these apps popping out from the apps option. But you are on the older version, once you tap on your settings, then you're going to see the list of apps right here. Just tap on the messages app, then you scroll down, then you tap on this option, which is very good. Tap on this option, which is block contact, then you tap on it. Then from here you're going to tap on add new. Then this will take you down to your contact list. Then from here you can simply add any form of contact you want to, or any contact or any phone number you wish to block on your iPhone. And that's it. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.